Here's 7 tips on how to write great CTAs for your emails. This is Copy Hacks. Today's video is brought to you by 10x Emails. Turn your subscribers into buyers with our #1 email copywriting course, available now at copyschool.co. Every email you send should have a specific goal in mind. And whatever goal that is, a call to action will tell your reader what they should do next. An effective CTA should align with your email goal and increase the likelihood of getting a conversion. We asked conversion copywriter and email strategist Anna Serena for some tips. Let's get to the list. Number 1, stick to one CTA. You might be tempted to get a bunch of different call to actions in one email, but a single CTA yields stronger results. Ellie Merman, VP of Marketing at Toast, spoke at an Unbounce marketing event and said a single CTA increases clicks by 371% and sales by 1,617%. Wow. Number 2, repeat your CTA if the email is long. Don't count on your reader to get so excited to click your CTA that they go scrolling back up the email looking for it. Reduce friction for your reader and include another CTA in the middle and at the end of your email, so it's right there when they're ready to click. Number 3, make use of whitespace for impact. Consider that a large number of your emails are getting read on mobile devices, meaning it's a much smaller screen. Use that whitespace and give your words room to breathe. This also helps your CTA stand out. Number 4, use a contrasting color for your CTA. The more something stands out, the more attention it receives. And the last thing you want your CTA to do is blend in. One small note, if you have multiple CTA buttons in your email, make sure they're all a consistent color. Number 5, use a button for your CTA. A hyperlink that's a different color stands out. Sure, but a button stands out even more, making it more likely that your CTA will be clicked on. Check out the article this video was based on, and you'll see that every example of CTAs used were using buttons. It's not a coincidence. Number 6, keep your CTA short and use verbs. Attention spans are getting shorter and shorter and, hey, that's a butterfly. Sorry, where was I? Oh yeah, attention spans are short. So when possible, aim for brevity and clarity when writing your CTAs. Try making the first word of your CTA an action word like click, enter, download, join, or get. Number 7, don't be afraid to test. Your target audience and industry might be different from others, meaning they behave differently than an audience that many best practices are based on. Get some data to draw your own conclusions and test, test, test. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more from Copy Hackers, please like, subscribe, and ding the notifications bell. Be sure to check out some of our other videos on our channel, and we'll see you again for another edition of Copy Hacks.